Hello students of Standard 6. Today we are going to learn poem The Seller, Part 3. Today we are going to learn Part 3. In the previous class we had seen that boy is consoling his mother not to cry, not to sit in one corner. I'll be back very fast. I'll go to fairyland, I'll not go to market, and I'll come back. I'll feel whatever good is available for me, whatever I like. With that, I will fill my boat. And I will go with Ashu and come back with him. So he says, I shall take my friend Ashu with me. We shall sail merrily across the 7 seas and the 13 rivers of fairyland. So what is his idea? He should not go alone. He should go with his friend Ashu, who is always with him. And they both will sail very merrily. Merrily means happily. Across the 7 seas and the 13 rivers of fairyland. He will go across the 7 seas and 13 rivers. That means very, very far away. Very, very far away. He says, when at noon time you are bathing at the pond. So he is telling Mummy, you will be waiting at noon time at the pond. We shall be in the land of a strange king. You will be just taking bath. That time we will reach to the strange place where king is there. In his land we will reach. We shall pass the ford of Tirupurani and leave behind us the desert of Timpantar. Tirupurani and Timpantar means a place of lonely. Midday usually people are frightened that everything is silence. People after their meals they take rest. So he thinks that midday will be a silence place, a place of ghost, very, very far away place, silence place. So he says he will pass the ford of Tirupurani. Means where the ford is there, where building is there, where ghosts are living, nobody is there, that he will pass. And leave behind the desert of Timpantar. That is also very far away. Timpantar means very far away. A ghostly area where nobody goes mostly. That also he will pass. He is not afraid. He is very courageous boy and planning everything sitting before going. He says, when we come back, it will be getting dark and I shall tell you of all what we have seen. So he says, Mama, you don't worry. When I come back, it will be getting late. But don't worry. Whatever happens, whatever I see there, with my friend Ashu, I will come and tell you everything what I have seen, what I have done there, how I went to a strange king's house, a strange place I passed through. That time you were in the house just taking bath near the pond. I will pass there. I'll pass the ford of Timpantar, Tirupurani, and I'll go further. And I'll go to the fairyland, 7 seas and 13 rivers across, very far away in the wonderland, to the fairyland. And I will see what all things are there, whatever good things are there which I can carry. I will fill in my boat whatever I like, and I will come back. And when I come back, it will be very dark. So you don't worry. I will come and explain you all what I have seen and what I have done it there. How I enjoyed with my friend Ashu. How good it was. I'll explain you. I will sail merrily, means very happily he will sail the boat to the fairyland. He wants that he will enjoy. You all know to make the boat? Children, paper boat you make and play in the water. Rainy season we used to do it. So here he is telling that he will sail with Ashu merrily, very happily. Across the 7 seas and the 13 rivers of fairyland. That means very, very far away. 7 seas, 13 land. That is, meaning is that very far away in the around the world. Dear children, one sea to go for us is very difficult to reach and come back. But he can go. What imagination child is having. That he can go 7 seas and 13 rivers, and also by evening he will come back to his mama. But whatever he is imagining, children, whatever he is planning, he is worried about his mother. He cares for his mother. He says, Mama, you don't sit in one corner and cry. Don't cry for me. I am not going far away like Ramchandraji for a long time to the forest for 14 years, to the exile. I am just going to the fairyland, a land of imagination. And I will cross all around this area, the ghost forest, the abandoned building fort. I'll pass through it and I'll go to the fairyland, see what all beautiful things, whatever I like, I will fill in my boat and I will come back. But it will be late. It will be dark. But also you don't worry, Mama. I will come and tell you everything what has happened. What I have done, that I will tell you. So you don't need to worry. Is it clear to you, children? Okay? So you don't worry. So you also should learn from the story that you must obey, care for children, for your parents. Without telling them, you should not go even imagination. Explain where you are, what you are planning, what you are doing. Talk to mother with whom you are going out. Everything should be explained to your parents, okay? Thank you, children.